So welcome back to their fast charging test. I wanted to update it with the newly announced OnePlus 7T, and you guys complained that I didn't include the 11 Pro Max, so both of them will be in this video. On the left-hand side, we're still rocking the Note 10 Plus. This is using a 25-watt charger that comes in the box. Plus, it has a 4,300 milliamp battery. We have the OnePlus 7 Pro, 4,000 milliamp battery, and it's using a 30-watt warp charger that comes in the box. 11 Pro, 18-watt charger, 3969 milliamp hour battery. Huawei P30 Pro, this is using a 4,200 milliamp battery, and it has a 40-watt charger in the box. OnePlus 7T is also using warp charge, 30 watts, but apparently it's supposed to be faster. Battery size is 3,800 milliamps. And finally, on the right-hand side, we have the regular 11 Pro with a 3,046 milliamp battery. All of these devices have been drained down to 0%. We're leaving them all on for this test because it's the only way you can see the battery percentage for the iPhones. And yes, I have turned off the optimized battery settings on the iPhone to have the fastest charge stream. Now, after 15 minutes, the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus hits 34%, the 7 Pro at 33%, the 11 Pro Max at 22%, and in the lead is the Huawei P30 Pro at 40%. The brand new OnePlus 7T is at 34%, and the 11 Pro is at 30%. Now, right off the bat, the P30 Pro is obviously going to be winning because of the bigger 40-watt charger and Huawei Supercharge technology. After 30 minutes, the Note 10 Plus is at 70%, 7 Pro at 62%, 11 Pro Max at 50%, Huawei P30 Pro at 77%, OnePlus 7T at 74%, iPhone 11 Pro at 61%. Now, even though the P30 Pro is winning right now, it looks like the OnePlus 7T is catching up. Now, exactly 1 hour goes by and the OnePlus 7T wins this charging test by finishing first at 100%. Now, in all fairness, it does have the smaller battery size, plus the improvements to the 30-watt charging allow this device to finish first. In second place, it's still the Huawei P30 Pro at 99%, the Note 10 Plus, which is closing the gap, at 97%, the 7 Pro at 91%, the Pro Max at 81%, and the iPhone 11 Pro at 86%. Now, exactly 3 minutes later, the Huawei P30 Pro finishes second with 100%. 1.5 minutes later, or 1 hour and 5 minutes, the Note 10 Plus finally hits 100%. I'm kind of impressed because the charger in the box is only 25 watts, but still the optimizations to the battery and the fact that it has a bigger battery than the P30 Pro, it still manages to be quite quick considering its charger size. After 1 hour and 22 minutes, the OnePlus 7 Pro finally hits 100%. Then 14 minutes later, at 1 hour and 36 minutes, the smaller iPhone 11 Pro hits 100%. Now, last place is obviously the iPhone 11 Pro Max. It does this in exactly 1 hour and 53 minutes, but this is still a big upgrade compared to last year's XS Max, would actually take over 2 hours to charge. This one is managing to do it in under 1 hour. So that pretty much wraps up this charging test. The OnePlus 7T took the lead, obviously, because it has the smaller battery size. The P30 Pro in second place, but I gotta give some credit to the Note 10 Plus and its 25-watt charger. Even though it had the bigger battery, it was still pretty close to the top contenders. Anyways, that wraps up this charging test. If you have any questions or feedback on how I can improve the next one, feel free to drop it in the comment section down below. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video.